สวัสดีค่ะ Hi guys, welcome back to Thailand Expat Language School with Kupla. Today we are going to learn about Thai love phrases. Yes, if you are chatting with a man or woman, Thai man or Thai woman, online, like on the phone or in person, these Thai love phrases will help you to communicate with them easily. Are you guys ready? Let's get started with the first one. When you want to ask someone that he or she are in the relationship, you can say มีแฟนยังมีแฟนยัง It's like, do you have a boyfriend or girlfriend? Next, can I court you? In Thai we say จีบได้ไหมจีบได้ไหม What are you doing? In Thai we say ทำอะไรอยู่ทำอะไรอยู่ I care about you. In Thai we say เป็นห่วงนะเป็นห่วงนะ Are you tired? We say เหนื่อยไหมเหนื่อยไหม Have a good dream. We say ฝันดีนะฝันดีนะ Next, when you want to say I missed you, you can say คิดถึงนะคิดถึงนะ And the last one, I love you. You can say ฉันรักคุณฉันรักคุณ Is that fun to learn? I hope you guys enjoy this lesson. And if you want to learn more in Thai language, contact us today and you will get a 15% discount. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.